My name's Giovanni,
And my name's Orion.
and we're gonna make the Grimace shake. First, we need a cup of blueberries,
Half a cup of raspberries,
3 scoops of ice cream,
a cup of milk,
and 2 cups and whipped cream. First, we pour the raspberries in.
it's blueberries.
Blueberries.
And then we pour the raspberries in.
Then we pour the ice cream in.
And then we pour the milk in.
What's next? And then we mix it all up in the blender over there.
And voila, we got the Grimace shake. Happy birthday, Grimace! And we are done.
Want to cheers?
Happy birthday, Grimace!